we have a drum loop, but we need basses. This is what it sounds like at the beginning. We want to make it a bass sound. You can't hear anything yet. What we have to do is go to FM from B and turn it up. Now, when we move this around, you can hear this signal. You can add an LFO right here to make it move a little bit. You could start adding effects. So you go to audio effects. You can add compressors, EQs, multiband dynamics, which is where OTT is, saturators, amps. You could try all of these effects. We're just going to make it louder first. We'll turn up this drive. We can add a little bit of reverb.